The reality is this today. The Congress and the BJP, just let me say it for 1 minute. The Congress and the BJP, if I can have the representative on the channel, they have become so insecure about their own existence. All over the country, they are being overtaken by regional parties. No, you can shake your head, let me complete that. Wherever a regional force comes in and demands a separate state, you'll say, yes, we are with you. I know you, yes, we are with you, because you are afraid the Congress and the BJP, if you're not with them, will get edged out. You have no faith in your own beliefs. Otherwise, Rajnath Singh said when Mayawati renewed the demand for splitting Uttar Pradesh into 4 divisions in 2011, in the run-up to the elections, Rajnath Singh said problems cannot be solved by the creation of division of states. Smaller states are facing problems. No, why did you have one logic for UP and one for the rest of the country?
Every solution. Arnab, the Telangana issue has been different. The BJP had supported the cause.
So everywhere in the
Congress has made a mess of it.
So what
different? Converted this into a disturbed zone today.
Yeah, you know.
And Arnab, if I may say, Arnab, for a minute only, if I may say, we must not forget, when you say that Congress has been marginalized, it is Congress which won 2004 and 2009 assembly elections, and overwhelmingly we won both the parliament elections, and not a regional party like either the TDP or any other.
Sir, you did it by making
you are completely, the Congress knows it is going to be wiped out.
I now go to KTR. It is KTR's turn to come into the debate.
Electoral politics, nothing else.
KTR,
you have no conviction.
Issue of a
KTR, am I wrong in my assessment?
Creation of a separate state on which
the Congress party has no conviction.
1 second. Before KTR comes in, Naman Nageshwar Rao has his hand raised for a long time. Mr. Rao, you made a very strong allegation about, you made a very, very strong allegation out there about, KT Ramarao's party, the TRS. I was actually going to give him a chance to respond to you. You and Raja Mohan Reddy spoke about match fixing in which KTR's party, the TRS, played a role. Should I let him respond to you before I come to you, sir, with your permission? May he respond to the charge of match fixing? Okay. Okay. You want to repeat it? Okay, go ahead. Naman Nageshwar Rao, once again, please.
No, please. Thank you. See, why I am telling this match fixing, the day Telangana was announced, at that time, Digvijay Singh ji has made it very clearly, asking TRS president, already we announced the Telangana, when you are merging your party. From Hyderabad, KCR, through media, he is telling to Digvijay Singh ji, now you have to clarify this Hyderabad and as well as, and you can...
No, so what is your charge? What is your charge? What is your charge? What is your charge? Be direct.
Very clear. My charge is very clear, before announcing both are, they both together, match fixing, then only they announced Telangana. And due to that reason only, one side, they are having the match fixing from TRS and other side from Jagan. That is the reason that now today, entire Telugu people are suffering. And
so here's the TDP. 1 second. Here's the charge. 1 minute. Naman Nageshwar Rao throws another bomb on the News Hour debate. He says that both the TRS as well as the YSR Congress are in league, part of a plot with the Congress party. They are both Congress party agents. They are working for the center. They are working for the Congress party. KTR responds first. KTR, do respond to the TDP representative who puts two serious charges at you tonight.
Well, firstly, I thought Mr. Naman Nageshwar Rao, a few minutes back, had said that his party stood for Telangana. Now, if the Telangana Rashtra Samiti demands the Congress party to concede Telangana at the earliest, what is the problem that the Telugu Desam party has with our demand? And secondly, he alleges that the Telangana Rashtra Samiti is actually fixed the match with the Congress. But let me remind you, my friend Mr. Nageshwar Rao, when we had actually brought in the no confidence motion in the State Assembly as recently as 6 months ago, it was the principal opposition party, the Telugu Desam party, which voted for the government and against the opposition. Never in the history of Andhra Pradesh has this happened. The principal opposition party, Telugu Desam, had actually ensured that the Congress government stayed afloat. Now you tell me, Arnab, who's fixed the match with who? I would say it is Telugu Desam, which has actually been in collusion with the Congress party in the state and the center to ensure that they can checkmate both the TRS as well as Jagan in both the regions of Andhra Pradesh. And at the same time, the Telugu Desam chief himself, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, wanted to ensure that no CBI inquiry was ordered against him, and therefore he was trying to appease the Congress party in Delhi.
Arnab, can I say something?
No, 1 second. The turn, it's the turn of the YSR Congress to respond to the charge that they are also part of a fixed match with the Congress party. Was this part of the deal to let Jagan out of jail, Mr. Rajamohan Reddy?
Mr. Goswamiji, if we have any, understanding with the Congress, why should Mr. Jagan be in the custody for 16 long months? After all, he would have got, according to the Constitution, also he should get bail within 90 days. But he was there in the custody for 16 long months. After 16 months, because of Supreme Court gave direction, CB has to complete their charge sheets, and then he got the bail. After 16 long months, now the Telugu Desam, allege that we have, understanding with the Congress. Why should YSR Congress party should have any understanding with the Congress? If it is so, he should not have come out of Congress. He would have become central minister and by this time state chief minister also.
So what? So why don't you say that on Newsa? Why don't you say that YSR will? Why don't you say that Jagan Mohan Reddy will rather quit politics than have anything to do with the Congress party anytime in any way in the future? Say that tonight, then I will believe you.
No, we need not have any alliance.
Not alliance. Any direct. I asked you a straight question.
Andhra Pradesh only.
Not be made
No, why are you keeping your options open?
This fashion.
Why are you keeping your options open, Mr. It looks extremely suspicious the way you're responding, Mr. Rajamohan Reddy. You're keeping your options open with the Congress party.
Yes, please tell me.
I'm saying, why are you keeping your options open with the Congress party?
Had we had any alliance with Congress, he would have not been jailed for 16 long months. See, because on our own we are going to win the elections in United Andhra
GVL
Pradesh.
Narasimha Rao,
And both
I'm drawing GVL Narasimha Rao back into the debate.
We are going to play a vital role in the politics, national politics also.
What is happening
There is no need for us to join with anybody.
Mr. You know what's happening is the national parties have no principal positions. You are going to team up. I'll tell you what's going to happen, Mr. GVL Narasimha. You are going to team up with Chandrababu Naidu, and the Congress party will team up with the TRS, and the Congress party is still working on Jagan Mohan Reddy. It hasn't quite achieved success yet, but that's what's happening. The national parties are reduced today, Mr. GVL Narasimha Rao, to bargaining like, smaller political entities with the big regional groups. Both the Congress and the BJP.
Let me answer that. The BJP has not been a significant or not been a major party in Andhra Pradesh. That's something that you know. But we have won 6 parliamentary seats entirely on BJP's own steam in 1998. Therefore,
that doesn't matter. You need the support of a big player.
Therefore,
you need the support of a big player.
We were expecting to do very well. We were expecting to do very well on our own in Andhra Pradesh on the steam of Mr. Modi's popularity, who is riding a big wave in Andhra Pradesh, and the Congress party is fully aware of it. And the Congress party, I think, this decision to.
Why don't you admit?
The Congress party wants.
Why don't you admit?
The Congress party is scheming in a manner to ensure that the BJP does not win. But we are not going. We are not looking at the electoral benefits. We have committed to sign the Telangana issue. We have said we will support the Telangana bill, irrespective of the ramifications. But the Congress party has converted this into a great electoral opportunity, and it's playing crass politics, which is what we are objecting to. We have a commitment to the people of both the regions of Andhra Pradesh. We are not a regional party.
KTR, when you hear this kind of,
we want justice.
KTR, you buy that? KTR, you buy that line of the BJP representative who says we are and always have been committed to Telangana? KTR is responding to GVL once. GVL once. KTR is responding to you. Yeah.
Let me put it this way, Arnab. All political parties in Andhra Pradesh have, at one point or the other, have supported Telangana very vociferously. And today, for the last, I can vouch for that, for the last 3+ years, I think BJP has been steadfast in its support for Telangana. They have been active members of the Joint Action Committee of Telangana as well, and they've been working with us. That's
how do you say that? When Advani wrote a letter in 2002 rejecting Telangana, how do you say that? Are you 1 minute? Are you teaming up with the BJP?
I qualified.
Are you teaming up with the BJP?
No, I qualified my statement. I have qualified my statement with the prefix 3 years. The last 3 years is what we've been working with the BJP in the Joint Action Committee. Prior to that, yes, the BJP has changed its positions. In 2001, when they were in association with Telugu Desam Party as part of NDA, yes, they were opposed to Telangana and they did not concede when they had actually granted.
Who are you going to support in Delhi?
Certainly,
which formation do you support in Delhi, the BJP or the Congress? You see, eventually all this is about who gets whose support in the formation of a national government. So can I ask you to be candid tonight?
Arnab,
which side are you supporting?
I don't think any of us on this panel, tonight can actually authoritatively predict which formation is likely to form the next government in 2014. So it could be the UPA, it could be the NDA, it could be a third front or something else. So all I'm saying Arnab, at this point is, whatever is in the interest of the people of Telangana, we will go with that formation.
Well, I don't know what's in whose interest right now, but I'm getting extremely confused. One point is clear to me. Here is a case of two national parties who are playing second fiddle deliberately. No, Mr. Surjewala, you won't like it. This is a fact. You're playing second fiddle deliberately. You need to ask yourself. You need to ask yourself whether you'll divide Assam, whether you will divide Uttar Pradesh, whether you will divide Madhya Pradesh further, which state you are willing to divide. You need to realize whether you have a overall policy towards state reorganization. That is the lack of consistency which is apparent, Mr. Surjewala. Yes, you wanted to say something.
Yes. Arnab, we are losing sight of two facts. When you say that Congress has been on any double speak, I very strongly rebut it. Since 2004, Congress stand has been consistent. We stand for Telangana.
Not in 2006.
Congress steadfast commitment that has led to the creation of state of Telangana.
Not in 2006.
By Government of India as announced. In 2009, my Chief Minister, the then Y.S. Rajasekhar Reddy, he committed on the floor of the House that we stand for Telangana. In December 2009, Mr. K. Rosaiya, the second Congress Chief Minister, in a all-party meeting again stood by Telangana. We constituted Sri Krishna Committee. On 9th December,
so what was your hurry?
It is Mr. Chidambaram who said we will constitute Telangana. In 2013, July, Congress Party Working Committee passed a resolution on Telangana, and we have
I have one question. One question for you.
So
one question for you, Mr. Surjewala.
Do not say
one
that
question.
Congress has been inconsistent.
One question. Just one question. Can you divide, for example, the state of Uttar Pradesh tomorrow without passing a resolution in the Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly? If tomorrow somebody says that I want to break Uttar Pradesh into 4 states, will you not pass a resolution in the Uttar Pradesh Assembly before the creation of new states become a reality? Or will you say I'm wary of presenting it in the Assembly, so never mind, I have to take political advantage of it, let's go ahead with it and deal with the problem later. That's what you've done in this case. You've not passed a resolution over Telangana in the Andhra Pradesh Assembly. Why didn't you do that?
With due regards to you, Arnab, for the first time you are losing direction of the debate. In 2001, Congress Working Committee passed a resolution on Telangana.
I am not asking about the Congress Committee.
The creation of state of
I am asking about the Assembly.
Arnab, our stand is consistent, precise, specific.
No,
we
sir.
have never changed our stance.
No. KTR is coming in. No. KTR.
That has led to the creation of the state.
KTR wants. Oh, I don't think so. I don't think you passed that resolution. KTR and GVL want to come in. KTR 10 seconds, GVL 10 seconds. Then we'll wrap up. Yes, KTR. Are you coming to the Congress Party's defense?
One quick clarification, Arnab. All I wanted to say, Arnab, is I'm not coming to Congress Party's defense, but I'm coming to the defense of Constitution of India, which is actually very explicit when it comes to the formation of the new states, that the expression of the view of the Assembly is what is required. It's not a resolution in the Assembly, but the expression of the view. And most certainly, now that the Cabinet Note has been drafted and prepared, Assembly will be sought its opinion, and definitely we will debate, we will actually discuss the issue in the State Assembly here, and I'm sure the whole of the country will witness what...
Sir, on December 23rd, 2009, the Government of India had duly said that no action of Telangana will be taken unless there is a consensus reached by all the parties. Now, all those watching the News Hour tonight will say there is anything but consensus. There is no consensus. There's a lot of chaos and a lot of fasting.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I promise you one thing, Arnab. In the past as well, in UPA 1, we had garnered letters of support from more than 36 parties out of the 42 that have political representation in Parliament, in Lok Sabha. And today also, when you see, eventually you will see that when the bill is introduced in the Parliament, Lok Sabha, you will see that the bill will be passed with more
I'll tell you one thing,
two-thirds
KTR,
majority.
go through the motions, complete the formalities before you decide to launch a state. I mean, you know what? Creation of a state is a serious matter. What does it matter who has to take what political advantage in a general election?
These are conventions. I differ with you on this. These are conventions. These are not the people.
Well, you know, conventions matter. Conventions matter, KTR. Conventions matter.
Yeah, but conventions are conventions. They are not.
Okay. We are running short of time. I thank all my panelists for joining me.
I just want to slip in a line. We want to address. We want the government to address the concerns of the people of Simandhra.
Well,
we
I
want
think
the concerns of Simandhra to be addressed.
Well, you decide which. The problem with the BJP.
To be restored.
It's got 2 feet and 2 boats.
Before the bill comes up.
It's got 2 feet and 2 boats. You decide which side you're on, ladies and gentlemen. One question tonight. One question tonight.
And let's constitute the two states in a harmonious manner and in a peaceful manner.
Which is not the way it is happening right now, most unfortunately. I thank you all for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.